Hello everyone, we are going to make a video regarding how to join our membership because lot of persons are facing the problem. Guys, so you can see when you are entering the card number, then it is showing this message that is correct this card info or try a different card, right? So this problem arises because this YouTube accepts the international payment, so the card should be international, so that's why the problem shows. So here also I have tried with my own debit card. So what is the reason of this? So you can see, you can use this credit card where this international payment will be enabled. Right now I know that many of you do not have this credit card, right, and must not be having this. So what you can do is that you can join membership using Paytm. So these are the steps which you need to follow for the Paytm, right? So I will show you the steps. You can see in the right side. So guys, open Paytm, right? Once you open Paytm, then go to this option recharge and pay bills. Then after that you will see the option of Google Play recharge, right? You click on this Google Play recharge, and after that you put the amount of money uh, which we want to take the membership, like suppose rupees 89 or 159 or 199, right? Then click on the proceed. So once you click on the proceed, then again click proceed to pay. So you need to pay this amount, right? So now you can pay this amount using your Paytm bank balance or some other cards. So here your normal cards you can put over here, right? So I am here doing payment using this Paytm bank balance, Paytm Payments Bank. So it is processing right now. Then once your recharge is done, then you will get a message, right? And once you get the message, so you can see you will get a coupon, right? So this is a coupon which you will get. So you will have to redeem this coupon. So you can redeem this by directly clicking on this redeem option, that is g.co play redeem, right? Or you can go to this Play Store, and after that you can do the redeem also. So this is open Play Store, so you can directly open this Play Store. So now you click on this three bar and go to this redeem, right? Then you will have to copy the code which we have received. So this is your 2KW5G, right? So you copy this code on the redeem option, right? So here it is showing your account. You are about to add 199 to Rana Subodh 7 at the rate gmail.com, right? So guys, use the same email ID through which you want to become the membership. So click on this confirm button. Okay, so now it has been added. So you can see the reward, or you can click on this not now. Okay, so this is the reward which is there. Google Play balance, it is showing 199, right? So now what happens after this? You go to this YouTube, right? And after opening this YouTube, you make sure that the Gmail ID which you are using is of the same on which you have received the code. So here my Gmail ID is same. So here you need to search the channel name, like our channel name, suppose C Patel Metallurgy. This is the channel name. Now you click on our channel, then you will see the join button. So click on this join button. Then there are three different membership, right? And I had taken this 199 rupees membership, so I am just clicking on this join button, right? So there you can see there are options of payment. So one option is your Google Play balance. There is other option also like credit card or debit card. So we have got this Google Play balance. So click on this Google Play balance and click on this buy button. Yes, so now it's great to have you as a member. So I have become a member of this, right? So these are the things which I am getting, like the loyalty badges. These are the things, okay? So through this you have become a member, right? So similar thing you can do, process will be similar. Suppose if you go through this phone pay, so now you open the phone pay, and in the phone pay you go to this recharge and pay bills, and you select this Google Play, right? You enter the amount, then pay the amount, then you will get a coupon code. So that coupon code again you redeem it by going to the Google Play Store, right? Or if there is a link, then you can click on that also to redeem. Then once it is redeemed, then you go to this channel name and do the rest thing which is done, right? So through this you can join our membership if you are facing problem with the card. Okay everyone. Okay then, thank you.